Hi, I'm Brian Bach. I'm one of the founders of Bach SteamStar. I'm also an IICRC certified master textile cleaner. We have extensive experience working in commercial restorative cleaning processes for carpets, upholstery, tile and grout, cubicle panels even. And really our job as professional cleaners is to protect people and property from indoor pollutants. And I'm speaking today to building managers, building owners, property managers, or even janitorial firms that struggle with that restorative deep cleaning component in your buildings. And that's where we fit in. We come in to get things back in shape with maximum soil removal systems, and we stress a health conscious cleaning first and appearance second. Certainly appearance is important, but just because it looks clean doesn't necessarily mean we're taking care of the biological load. And what I'm standing out here in front is our big commercial mobile cleaning plant really that's been set up. And the manufacturers of this equipment here tell us this is the largest truck mount produced currently by 20%. And why does that matter as a building owner or property manager is that we can continue to clean with a high performance truck mount much higher and much farther into buildings. And it's a huge advantage when it comes to indoor health. The biological load and germs are affected by high heat, okay? And that specifically studies have demonstrated really since, the EPA's done studies, Air Mid Health, and others from 1991 to 2014, and they said there's definitely they can demonstrate a measured reduction in unwanted bioload, on carpets, on upholstery, on tile floors, hard surfaces, all those things with a temperature held above 160 degrees with high flow extraction. Okay, so that's what these are designed to do, and that's why we spend all the money on these things. And also the operators need to be trained, so we're using certified, technicians to come to your properties. So it's much different when we can hold that temperature and clean in your facilities. It'll be healthier, it'll clean better, which protect the property and make it last longer. Studies have also even indicated that there's productivity benefits to doing this to you. And that's where we come in. And we can even work with it. If you're a janitorial firm, we can even work with you and give you this component. So what do your contracts say about restorative cleaning? Take a look at that, because are they going through and using a little portable unit and doing some spotting, or are they spray buffing a few things, and you guys call that carpet cleaning? I've talked to you through the years, and most people I talk to they don't know how are the carpets cleaned, how were the tile cleaned. They can't even give me a straight answer. And it's so important to the indoor health that we do this, and we have a restorative deep cleaning healthy system periodically to get those facilities back to a healthy and clean appearance. So if we can help you, we do free consultations all over the Kansas City area, and we'd love to discuss your needs and look at your properties and see what a restorative component would look like for you, and obviously give you a budget quote as well. So please call the office and we'll get that set up. It's 913-438-7767. We look forward to meeting you soon.